Happy morning to all. In today's class, we are going to learn the lesson A Story of Self Sacrifice and Bravery. There are three sections in this lesson. This is a real incident that happened in Karachi. Okay, let us see the first section now. The name of the flight is Pan Am Flight 73. Pan Am Flight 73 with 360 passengers on board. It was ready to depart from Jinnah International Airport. It is in Karachi and its destination place is United States. From Karachi to United States, it was ready to move. Depart means it ready to move. But unfortunately, the flight was hijacked. Here you see the word unfortunately. Unfortunately means unluckily. The flight was hijacked. Hijacked means illegally seized. Okay, illegally seized control of an bus, flight, or ship, etc. Okay, so the flight was hijacked by 4 terrorists at Karachi airport. The passengers came from different countries. There were Indians, Germans, Americans, and Pakistanis, and among others. The terrorists were more intent on targeting the Americans. So they called the purser whose name was Neeraja. She is working in that flight. She was forced to collect the passports of the passengers, but Neeraja managed to hide their passports and discard them. Okay, thus she saved the 39 American passengers out of 41. The hijackers planned to fly to Israel and crash the plane against a building. It is an unexpected calamity of the passengers. So Neeraja immediately sprang into action. First, she wanted to alert the pilots in the cockpit. Here you see the word cockpit. Cockpit means compartment where a pilot sits. In the bus, we are saying driver's seat. No, driver's has a separate seat. Like that, in a flight, the pilots had a separate place that is called cockpit. Okay, in the place, the pilots were sit. Okay, so Neeraja wanted to alert the pilots now first. Then the terrorists noticed it and they attacked her violently. Then she passed the warning code and she alerted the pilots. Now, the pilots were escaped from that place and they escaped through the alternate exit to save their life. Then the terrorists were lost of pilots. They became frustration. They were in frustration and helplessness. So they became very angry. They became impatient. Impatient means not calm. They were not calm. They became very angry. Okay. Okay. Then 17 hours into the hijack. After 17 hours of the hijack, the plane also ran out of the power because it is running in a battery. No, so it's lost its power. The terrorists lost their cool. They were very angry, they were impatient, so they opened the fire on the passengers with armed grenades, plastic explosive bullets, and pistols. When they were in confused situation, Neeraja taking it advantage and leaped into action at this point of time. So she set all her hesitation and fears and she worked her way around evacuating as many passengers as she could. Okay. Now she waited to face the death to help the ones around her. As she was about to exit herself from the flight, she noticed the three children who were left in the flight. So they were needed the help of Neeraja, as the brave heart rescued the kids, but she was shot by the terrorists at that moment. She passed away. Neeraja was hit by the bullets fired by the terrorist. The heroic young girl passed away from us. Let us see the section 2. In the section 2, we are going to learn about her life and her school time and her college time. Okay, Neeraja Bennett was born on 7th September 1963 in Chandigarh. Their parents' name Rama Bennett and Harris Bennett. She has two brothers, Akhil and Anis. Neeraja attended her school days. She got admission in Chandigarh Sacred Heart School, and she was studying till 6th standard there. Then her family moved to Mumbai. Then she attended Bombay Scottish School, and she then moved to St. Xavier's College for her graduation. Then their family, after her studies, their family decided to get her married to a man in Sharjah. Neeraja was married. The marriage proved to be a disaster. Her marriage life was not happy. After 2 months, she left her husband at the age of 22 due to the pressurizing of dowry demands. Okay? But she not get upset. Then she started her career in modeling, and she made appearances in various advertisements like Binaka toothpaste. She acted in many advertisements as a model, like Binaka toothpaste. Okay. Then she applied for the flight attendant's job with the Pan Am Flight. There were 10,000 applicants were participated in that career. 80 of the 10,000 applicants were picked, and Neeraja was one of them. So then she was sent to Miami to train, and based on her performance and her peer reviews, she was sent to London to train to be a pursuer. Here the word pursuer means senior most cabin manager. What are the works has to be done by the senior pursuer? Pursuers worked as managers on flights, handling passengers' complaints. They have to collect the complaints of the passengers, and they have to making a record announcements to the passengers, and they have to handling the security of the passengers. Okay, now then she was made a senior flight pursuer in the Pan Am flight. This is a big career achievement for young women of 22. Okay, let us see the section 3. In section 3, we are going to see the awards and achievements and legacy. In Ashoka Chakra citation, the Ashoka Chakra award, it is in a highest award, which was India's highest honor for bravery in peacetime. So this award was awarded to her after her death. Neeraja's act of bravery was acknowledged and rewarded by not only in India and Pakistan and America also. Okay, then a postage stamp was also issued in her honor in 2004. In 2005, after her death, posthumously means after her death, her brother went to Washington and received justice for Crimes Award. This is an award. Its name is Justice Crimes Award. Justice for Crimes Award. It was received by her brother after her death. And annual Crime Rights Week also received. And she also received the Tamkai Insaniate Award. This was also received by her brother. Okay. Then her parents set up a Neerja Bennett Panam Trust. Her parents set up Neerja Bennett Panam Trust, and the trust presents 2 awards every year. One to honor a flight crew member who acts beyond the call of the duty. Those who are working beyond the call of the duty, they are eligible to getting these awards, and that person also overcomes social injustice and helps other women in similar social distress. Okay, those persons are eligible to get this award. Thus their parents set up this trust. The award includes a sum of INR 1,50,000, a trophy and a citation. Okay, one of the children who this brave flight pursuer saved during a hijacking incident in 1986 is now a captain of a major airline. Who is that children is a captain now in the major airline. Okay, here some people shine even after the death, like that. No one is forgetting her. Mumbai couldn't forget her. A square in Mumbai's Ghatkopur suburb was named after her death by a Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Okay, that's all, students. This is the lesson about a story of self-sacrifice and bravery. Okay, thank you, students. I hope you all understood this lesson. Okay, thank you. We will meet in another class. Thank you.